Okay, let's program the shooting range 1. The goal here is to shoot only the red target blocks, but ignore the green ones. The rifle also has a built-in camera that sees the targets. It should ignore the green targets, but when it sees the red block, it should fire the rifle to hit it. So, here's the program code for the target shooting. And these first 4 lines of code are similar to the ones in previous videos. Just to refresh quickly, this imports the PyJob modules, this imports the Numpy modules, because we need it for the image processing. And this line connects to the simulation environment. And this line resets the simulation to initial state. And, this line, finds the rifle object and gives it the variable name, rifle. This line increases the camera view by a factor of 20, so the target looks clearer and closer. That's what the set zoom 20 method is for. Now, here we get into the main part of the program. This while loop continues the image analysis going repeatedly, until 5 red targets have been shot. This line captures the current image, a 256 by 256 pixels image, and store it in the variable img. This here analyzes the image pixels to make sure it contains only strong red, that is, the red value intensity is greater than 220, and that the red value is at least 1.5 times greater than the blue pixels, and also 1.5 times greater than the green pixels. This way there cannot be false positives of the red color. As you recall, any image is made up of red, green, and blue pixels. That is the reason we want the image with the greatest amount of red pixels, which tells us that's the target. This print image statement, it prints out the image at each loop update. This next line uses the Numpy array functions to check if there are significant amount of red pixels. If there is more than 100 in the picture frame, then that means that is a red target. And if the if condition is true, then this line fires the rifle. And finally, this last line closes the program. Okay, now let's run the entire program and see it works. I've sped up the video a bit to save time. Here comes the first target, but it is green color, so it will ignore it. And here comes the next red target, and we'll shoot it. Ignores the green target. Here comes another red. One more red. And the last red target. Alright, that does it. Bye bye. See you in the next video.